but maybe the books that we have not equaled does silently apply sometimes. Some are more equal than others. Chair, it's not true that it's only just him that takes money. From 2021, there's Operation Mchunu. That is Kwamhlabeyalingana, the cross-border crimes. In Cape Town, there is a Operation Thunder stroke Operation Lockdown, which takes, I don't have figures, but I would suspect that Cape Town one might be even taken more. When is my suspicion. For instance, if you bring 200 police from other provinces and they stay here at the cost of 800 rand a night, and then they go back and they bring the other lot, and they come with the cars. They don't just come alone. They come with the cars from those provinces and they will get SNT when they're here. They will get over time the allowance that they're not at home. I think is a lot of money. So for me then, it could not be the question of money. It should be then the question of safety of those people. To say only one councillor has been killed so it can withdraw, I hope people they're not going to say it's sour grapes. So there is no minister has been shot, so withdraw the PSS. Because not one has been shot there. If your measurement is one dying, why don't you withdraw those that nobody has died? So maybe it's a sour grapes because I'm not there, I don't have the PSS. But I'm trying to show that that can't be the measurement, so that only one person died, so now you can withdraw. When you have expensive unit called PSS that is guarding safe people, and nobody talks about that. So for me, if you have the center of excellence, your effort is to expand it rather than go and kill where you have established excellence. That would be my argument.